mommy soon come, okay, baby? Mommy running on the road real quickly. Do you know what carrier drive? Alright. Oh, Jesus, guess what? Guess what, girl?
What?
I was challenged by It's Shantoy's World to do this 5-minute makeup thing. Oh,
girl, come on, let's do it. Let's do it.
Think I should just do it real quick before we hit the road?
Yeah, come on.
Alright, we can run it off.
Alright, pop time.
Alright. Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Poppy Show. It's your girl Toya, and yes, I was challenged by It's Shantoy's World to do the 5-minute makeup challenge. So I have done makeup in maybe like 10-15 minutes, but never have I done it in 5 minutes. So let's see how this gonna go. All right, so I'm gonna get this timer on. Whew, guys, pray for me. Pray for your girl. All right, so I'm trying to figure this phone out. I'm using Malik's phone. Okay. All right, 5 minutes. Pressure on. I used the wrong brush. This is not the brush I usually use, but let's see if I can get it to work. This is not the brush I usually use, guys, but I picked up the wrong brush, so it's just gonna have to work. I'm sweating. But once I get the eyebrows done, I think I'll be okay. See how much minutes left on that thing here. I understand this, yellow. Alright. Let's put the fling on, look at color. Hope you guys can see. Oh. Man, this is really a challenge. Alright, just quickly put on some foundation. Try not to use too much. Less than a minute? The time I am now work good. What the hell? Not even the can done so quick. Woo. Oh no! Yo, this is ridiculous. Really? I'm mad. All right, guys, so I'm just gonna, I guess, just finish up because this just don't make no sense. All right, guys, I think it's about 8 minutes or so. Boy, Shantoy, the challenger, it's not normal. I really thought I could do 5 minutes, but man, but at least I got it done in what, 10 minutes? So that's cool. Yeah, so thank you so much for the challenge. Guys, if it is your first time, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment below. Peace. Oh, here's Poppy. Poppy, say hi.